If you want to block someone on Zomato, follow these simple steps to ensure you no longer receive their interactions. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to the profile section. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and preferences. Step 3. Access your connections. Look for the connections or friends section within your profile. This area shows your interactions and connections with other users. Step 4. Find the user you want to block. Scroll through your connections or use the search function to locate the user you wish to block. Once you find them, tap on their profile. Step 5. Block the user. On their profile page, look for the option to block or report the user. Confirm your choice to block them, and they will no longer be able to interact with you. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Zomato and enjoy a more tailored experience on the platform.